Alrighty guys, now we're inside my vehicle now. This is the Volkswagen ATLAS 2018, and as you can see right there, we have 104,000 miles. Now I'm going to show you where the cabin filter is on this vehicle. So the cabin filter is located right there, right inside of the glove compartment. So we're going to need to open it up here, and I'll show you. I'm going to go to the other side and show you how to change the cabin filter. I'm just going to show you the cabin filter, and right here, this is the number, and I'm going to leave a link on the description below so you guys can go check it out, and go to your Volkswagen dealership and ask for the same one for the Volkswagen 2018 and 2019. They should be able to give you the exact same one right there. See, and the arrow is pointing down, so that's the way it's going to go down here. Once we take it out, I'm going to show you once it comes out. Okay, so just pause this for a minute. Alrighty guys, so this is what I did. I opened up the glove compartment right here, and down here, I don't know if this is good lighting, but right here on the right side, you're gonna find this right here. This is gonna be two push buttons. They're right here on the right, and on the other side as well, right there. Right underneath where the CD player and the SD slot is. So it's right in underneath here. You're gonna see that one on the left and this one on the right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna need to push both of them, push in. You see how it moves? Push in at the same time, and then the whole compartment is gonna collapse, and that's where you're gonna find the cabin air filter right here. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna push both buttons right here at the same time. You're gonna need to lift it up a little bit and then push one of the buttons. You're gonna push this up. See that? See how it moves? Up. And you see the release, that piece right there? So that's holding it. So what you do is you're just gonna push it up. You're gonna push this up, and look how this is gonna collapse. Same thing again. Look, see? Collapse. So you see, once this is down, that's it. That's where the cabin filter is. You're gonna need to press this button's down right here. There's like a little lip, plastic lip, to push down. Okay, to push down, push down, push down, a little bit, one at a time, and look how it's just coming loose. See? Easy peasy. Look at the airflow arrow. You can see it. So the airflow arrow is pointing down. So that means that the airflow is coming from the top to down. This is the cabin filter. You're gonna need to just stick your finger through the top, pull it out, and then it should slide nice and easy. Oh my goodness. 30,000 miles without changing it. And you see how dirty it is? How that is bad. So this, it's a bad cabin filter. So you see all the dirt, dust, the particles that are being trapped right here. So that's what this is for. This is supposed to prevent from us breathing in all this crazy stuff that makes us and gets us sick. So you guys need to change this. Probably don't wait that long like I waited, 30,000 miles. And the same way it went out, the same way the new one is going in. So let me show you the new one. Same exact one right next to the other. Look how clean this one is, how dirty that one is. this is the way it's supposed to be. Too bad on my part that I wanted to wait for me to make this video and show you how to change the cabin filter. Should have done this 10,000 miles ago. Since you're getting the cabin filter from the dealership, it should be the same one. It's an OEM. So this one, the new one, you see the airflow, same way. See that? It's pointing down, and this one is pointing down as I took it out of there. What are you gonna do? Same exact way. That's the slot where it's gonna go in. It's the airflow. Okay, and you're just gonna slide it in. Slide it and push it all the way till it goes no more. This you can do it under 10 minutes. I'm just taking my time to show you guys. So here, slide it in, push it all the way down. You see this part right here, this middle part is gonna go right in there. Right there. So just push this in. Same way it went down. That's the way I took it out. But boom. See that? You heard that click? That click shows that it's secure. See? Look, it's not moving. So that's it. That's how you change it. So this part right here, it's gonna be a line. There's gonna be like a little wheel right here. Just gonna go through it. Force it in, boom, and then this you can just pop in. Look, boom, you heard that click, and that's it. So now when you open it, it collapses smoothly right there. Goes down smoothly. Then you can just put your stuff in there, and that's it. So that, guys, is how you change your cabin filter. Hit the like button, click subscribe, and thank you guys, I appreciate it. Take care.